Here's my sample lesson that I'm doing in Canvas for my beginning low hybrid class. It's the days of the week. I will have students practice the days of the week, turn in a pronunciation assignment, a text assignment, and do a discussion, followed by a quiz at the end of the module. So for the introduction, I practice pronunciation and spelling with abbreviations here from the Learning Chocolate website, and a video from Woodward English closed captioned. From here, the students go to their pronunciation assignment. They practice the video again and submit a recording to this assignment, and they're going to recite the 7 days of the week in order. So after they do this, they go to their text assignment and they practice the organization and spelling of the days of the week, also incorporating a vocabulary today, yesterday, and tomorrow. So they fill in the blanks here and submit a text assignment. After this, they go to the discussion and they discuss their favorite day, practicing their writing skills, communicating amongst each other, and making a thread in a social network. So reinforcing their technical skills here too. After this, they go to the lesson, the end of the lesson, and in Module 3 at the end, they have to take a quiz. So in my Module 3 quiz, I bring back the days of the week, and they have to practice the spelling and pronunciation and organization. So here they have the days of the week again, identification and organization. And that is my lesson on the days of the week in Canvas.